I am going to read English newspaper. BJP unveils manifesto woos RS 2500 PM to women in Delhi. Promises to implement Ayushman Bharat Yojana in Delhi. Attacks APS Mohalla clinics, calling them den of corruption. Bharatiya Janata Party National President and Union Minister JP Nadda unveiled the party's Delhi Assembly election manifesto titled the Sankalp Patra on Friday. Among the key promises is a monthly allowance of Rs 2500 for every woman in Delhi under the Mahila Samriddhi Yojana. The BJP also pledged to continue all existing welfare schemes currently operational in the national capital, highlighting the central government's flagship health initiative. The BJP vowed to implement the Ayushman Bharat scheme for 51 lakh residents of Delhi, providing health insurance coverage of Rs 5 lakh from the very first cabinet. Top promises Rs 2500 every month to every woman in Delhi through Mahila Samriddhi Yojana. LPG cylinders at Rs 500 to women from poor sections. One free cylinder on Holi and Diwali. 6 nutrition kits and Rs 21,000 will be given to every pregnant woman. Rs 2500 pension for senior citizens between the age of 60 to 70. Atal canteens in slums. JJ clusters. BJP trying to contest on our manifesto. Kejriwal. New Delhi AAP National Convener Arvind Kejriwal came out heavily at the BJP after the latter released its poll manifesto for the upcoming Delhi polls and alleged that the ruling party has no ideas or vision and is only following Kejriwal's governance model. He took a dig at the BJP, saying that both BJP President JP Nadda and Prime Minister Narendra Modi are saying that all schemes of the Delhi government will continue. Thank you guys for